So in this problem we have been given an equation and then we have to find the value of x. So this equation is x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4, and this is equals to 990. And then what is the value of x that satisfies this equation? So how will you solve this problem? You may think of like I can multiply this term and this term and then expand everything and then we can find the roots. But that will be cumbersome, complex, because in that case you will have a term of x cube, you will also have term of x square, you will have a term of x and constant term. So this is a 3-degree equation that will contain us x square term, x term and constant term. But can we simplify this expression? We can basically simplify. You see here you have a number 2 and 3 and 4. So what is the mean for these three numbers? So 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 12, as 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So mean for this is 3. So this means this number is mean, the second number. So this number is mean number. So what I will do is I will substitute, make a substitution. So let us solve using some substitution. So I will substitute, that is x plus 3 is equals to t. So I have a substitution, that is x plus 3 is equals to t. Then what will be x plus 2? In that case x plus 2 will be t minus 1. What will be x plus 4? This will be t plus 1. That is the advantage. Now let us rewrite this expression. So we have this expression, that is x plus 2, that is t minus 1, and this is t and this is t plus 1. This is equals to 990. Now you can see the advantage. You have t minus 1 and you have t plus 1. So this can be used by formula a square minus b square to simplify further. If you remember the formula for a square minus b square, that is if you have a minus b into a plus b, this can be written as a square minus b square. So I can write this expression, that is this expression, that is t square minus 1. I have taken this term and this term together, and then this multiplied by t is equals to 990. So let us multiply further. So this will be t cube minus t is equals to 990. Or if you take 990 this side, so this is t cube minus t and this is minus 990. This is equals to 0. So this is a cubic equation. So whenever you have a cubic equation, one solution we can find by inspection. So let us check. If I put t is equals to 10, then this equation gets satisfied, because 10 q is 1000. So this is 10 q minus 10 minus 990, and this is in fact 0, because 10 q is 1000 minus 10, that is 990, minus 990 is equals to 0. So I can say t is equals to 10 is a solution, So I can use the traditional method, that is t minus 10 will be one factor for this equation, and the other factor we can find by division. So how we will find other factor? So we will divide this expression, that is t cube minus t minus 990, and then I will get the other factor. But now in this video I will use a different simplification. So what we will do is, we have here, that is t cube minus t, and 990 can be written as 1000 minus 10, and this is equals to 0. And 1000 is what? 10 raised to the power 3. So tq minus t minus 10 raised to the power 3, and this becomes minus minus plus 10 is equals to 0. So from here I can say, I can take these two terms together, tq and 10q. So tq minus 10q, and this is minus t plus 10 is equals to 0. Now remember the formula for aq minus bq. So here I have a term aq minus bq. So this term aq minus bq, the formula for aq minus bq is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So I am using that formula. So I will have t minus 10, that is a minus b, into a square, that is t square, plus b square, that is 100, plus ab. So ab will be minus 10t. And then you will have, so let us say, if I take minus 1 common, then I will have t minus 10, and this is equals to 0. So this becomes, if I take t minus 10 throughout common, so I will have t square plus 100 minus 10t minus 1, this is equals to 0. So this will be t minus 10 into t square minus 10t plus 99 is equals to 0. Now two possibility, either this term will be 0 or this term will be 0. If this term is 0, then this means t is equals to 10, that we already know that this solution exists. Now if this term is 0, that is the second term, that is t square minus 10t plus 99 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Now in case of quadratic expression, we find d, that is discriminant. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So in this case b is 10, so minus 10 whole square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 99. So this number, that is 100 minus, this is, and this is 39, so 396. So this number is negative. So if discriminant are negative, this means this equation has imaginary roots. So roots of this equation is imaginary. And in this case, in this problem, we have to find the real roots. So this means t is equals to 10 is only solution. So t is equals to 10 is real and the only solution. So we can say, so what solution we have? T is equals to 10 is the only solution. What was t? If you remember, t is x plus 3. So we can find x. So t is equals to x plus 3, and which is equals to 10. So this implies x is equals to 7. You can check by plugging the value of x, and then you can check whether this satisfies the original equation or not. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.